let's see how you can trace out character in Adobe Illustrator to be animated in Character Animator. So to do that, first of all, I already have my Illustrator app opened up. And if you don't know how to use Illustrator, you might want to check out my tutorial series on Illustrator before you go ahead with this lesson. So now, in order to import out the image that you want to trace, I'm just going to go to File right here, and then I'm going to go into Place right here. I'm going to go onto my Dropbox where I have my source file. So just like this, I'm just going to open that out, place it right here. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply lock this layer out. I'm just going to go around here and change the opacity first. And then I'm going to lock out this layer just like this. So once I do that, what I'm going to do is create a new layer and then just start tracing right away. For that, I'm going to take the pen tool right here, increase the point size to 2 and choose no color. So let's just get ahead, start tracing out the front part of the character just like this. So I'm going to click right here, click and drag it out right here just like that, and then trace it out just like that, trace it out right here just like that, click it, trace it out right here just like this, and then trace out the background of the face just like that. Alright, trace it out, and there you go, that is it. So just gonna go around and trace it out right here just like that. Okay, so once we have that, let's go on to the eyes right here. So let's just go around just like this and then change that around. So let's just go around right here and then change this around right here. Okay, go around and then change this around. Copy and paste this eye right here. So let me just select both of these and then turn them black right there. Let's just turn them black and then go around and change around this one right here. So let me just go around and then use this pen tool right here to go around and then create this nose of the character right here. So once I do that, I'm just going to go around and on to no fill right here. And then there you go, there's the mouth as well that I gotta make. So let me just go around and then make a bit of mouth just like this. Alright, so let's just go around and make a curvy mouth just like that. Alright, so once I do that, I can just move the face a bit over here because I want to make a front face character right here. So there you go. That's the front face character. I'm just going to move the eye right here, rinse out the face right here, and there you go. That's the front facing character, just like that. Alright, so let's just start tracing out the other parts as well. So let's just trace around the neck right here, just like that. So let's just go around and I'm going to overlap this a bit. Doesn't matter right here at the end. And I'm going to go around and then make this one out as well. So let's make this, all of these right here, just like that. And then make this around right here, just like that. Alright. And then I'm going to go around over here and then trace this out as well. So let's just trace the hand right here and then go around with it. So let's just click it and click it right here, trace this around right here, and then go around right here, just like that. Close that part out. Okay, so that has been closed right there. And I can simply actually duplicate this out as well. So I'm just going to duplicate out this shape right here. And then I'm going to, let's say, mirror this out. So let's just go around right here, transform, and then I'm going to reflect this out right here. Vertically, that's fine. And I'm just going to go around and place it over here, just like that. I should have done with the other hands first, but anyways, right there. So we have our elbows right there, just like that. Okay, so let's just trace around the pants because that's on the easier side. So let's just go ahead right here and then trace around this part first, okay? And then go around, overlap that because I'm going to cover that out later on, just like that. Alright, so that's done right here. Let's trace around the hands now. So I'm going to go around right here and then I'm going to trace around the hands right here. So go around, trace around the hands just like this, click and drag it right here, and then click it right here, click and drag it right here just like this, and then go around, click and drag it. Alright, go around, and there's the tracing. I don't want such a pointy hands, so I'm just going to go around and fix that out. Alright, so just gonna go around just like that. There's the pointy hand, no pointy hands. Alright, so just gonna go around right here just like this, and I'm going to work around with this over here just like that, and then go around right here, click and drag it around, and then close this around right here. So just like that, that is done, and we can just duplicate out the hand right here. So just gonna copy and paste this. So I'm just going to copy and paste this and then reflect this around. So let's just go ahead, transform, and then reflect vertical, that's fine, and place it over here. Don't need to worry about the shape because this is our character right here. So let's go around with the legs right here. And then I'm going to just trace this leg out, just like this. And that is done. We can just reflect out the leg as well, just like that. So now gonna go around, reflect out, transform out the leg right here. So let's just copy and paste right here. And then reflect this out. So let's just transform and reflect and press OK. Just like this, we got the leg right here. So I do need to rotate this out a bit right here. So I'm going to just go around and then press the E key on my keyboard to rotate this around a bit. All right, so there you go. There's my leg right here, just like that. And that is done right there, as you can see, and we got our character ready. So now what we're going to do is we're going to fill up the color on each one of these. Let me just change around the color onto this by going onto this color right here. Maybe I'm going to make the character really bright, just like this. I'm going to select the arm and then apply the same color over here as well. Just like that, I'm just going to go around onto the eyedropper and then select that color right here. So just go around right here and then select the eyedropper, get the color right there. Get it right there. All right. And then what I'm going to do is select all of these around and then choose something like blue, dark blue right here, just like this. And then we're going to choose the shade right here, and then change around the color right here onto something like, let's say, red right here. That's fine. And then we're going to change this onto a skin color, just like this. So we got our basic hierarchy set up. So we just gotta go around and then arrange the layers out over here. So now over here on the face, we got the path right here. That's fine. This is going to be the face background over here. Not going to worry too much about the naming right now. I'm just going to make sure that face background is there. I'm going to create a new layer right here, keep it inside, and this is going to be the face of the character. So in the face, I got the eye right here. So this is the eye, this is the eye. We're going to worry about the naming and everything later on. So this belongs to the face right here. Face background belongs to the face, just like that. And then eyes and path and everything else inside right here, along with this one as well, just like that. So this is just going to be the neck right here. Let's keep it as it is right now. And then what we're going to do is change other things around as well. So going on forward right here, let's just get ahead, arrange these things out. Okay, so we have the face right here, just like that. The face is done. So let's go around with the other parts right here. Those are the legs. This is the left leg. Okay, and this is the right leg. And then this is going to be the left leg right here. Okay, once you do that, you got these parts right here, just like this. And you got the left hand and right hand. So I just need to parent this out. So these needs to be here. So this needs to be underneath this. And this needs to be a hand. So I'm just going to go around right here. I'm going to go around and rename this left arm right here, just like that. So this is going to be the left arm. So for the left arm, I'm going to go around onto this path and this path right here. This is going to be the left arm. So once I do that, this is the left arm right here. And then I'm going to go on to the right arm. So this is going to create a new layer and right arm, just like this. Okay, so right arm. And this is here, just like that, onto the right arm right here. So once I do that, I got left arm and right arm right here. This is going to be over the face, that's fine. And then there's the left leg and right leg. So this is going to be the torso, I guess. So torso right here, no, not that. Okay, I'm just going to create a new layer called torso right here. And torso, I can just keep the body with it. So I'm just going to go around, keep both of these right here, and keep out the torso right here. So this one is going to be on the top. So let's get ahead and then work around with these shapes now. So this is going to be the path. The path is there. So right leg is here. I can just disable this out. But these things are going to be above the torso right here, just like this. And then I'm going to add in a circle right here so that it covers up these lines right here. Or I can simply add in a shape as well, just like that. So just gonna go around and add in an oval shape right here, just like that. I'm just going to cover these things around right here. Just rotate around right over here, just like that. Let's just press E and then rotate this around right here, just like that. Okay, and then I'm going to pull this up. So I'm just going to pull this up right here, just like this. Pull that out right here, and then there you go. All right, so that is done. So I'm just going to go around and then change around the same color for this right here, and there you go. So that is done right here. Ellipse is there. This is going to be under the left leg, just like this. Okay, under the left leg right here. This is going to be the above the left leg, sorry, not under. And now that is going to be the left leg. Left leg right here is going to be the parent. So let's just go around right here onto the left leg, and these are going to be the parent right here. So left leg right there. All right, so now I can just go around, change this out as well according to how I want right here, and pull this out. Okay, so let's just go around, and that's it. So once I do that, let me just go around, pull this out as well right here, pull this out over here inside, and there you go. So that is done. So now that has been covered up. Let's do the same around with the right leg right here, just like that. So just gonna change this around over here by pressing E, change that around, keep that over here as well. So over here on the right leg, you can see that this is quite big in comparison. Let me just pull that out right here, and then change this around over here. Change that around. Let me resize it so that we can cover up the lines just like that. All right, so let's just go around right here, cover up the lines just like that, and that's done. So now once I do that, I'm going to keep the ellipse on to the right leg right here, underneath the right leg. Let's just go around right here, and then click a new layer right here, and this is going to be right leg, just like this, and then just keep it right over here, just like that, under the right leg, and then go around. That's the ellipse, just like this, and then that's it. All right, so that is done as well. We got the left leg and the right leg fixed up as well, so left leg and right leg. So let's just go ahead right here. The arms so far is fine. So let's just go around, bring the right arm and the left arm. So these are the arms right here. So just gonna press E right here. So just gonna bring that down. All right. So this one is not supposed to be over, but under. So we're gonna go onto the left arm, bring this up just like that. All right. So just like that. Now what happens is that I can move these things around. Okay, so let's go on to the neck part right here, just like that. So I'm just going to go on the face part right here. Can I keep the neck up or down? Okay, so neck is going to be up right here, and this is going to be covered up with a circle as well, just like that over here. And then that's the neck. So just gonna go around and then make this child of the neck right here. So let's just go around right here. I'm going to create a new layer, just like that. And then this is going to be underneath. Okay, neck. And ellipse, just go inside just like that, and then this is going to be the neck right here, and then the ellipse is going to be on the top just like that, and then change this around over here, just reduce the stroke right there. All right, so once I do that, you got this, and there you go, there's the neck just like that, covering up. And there you go, we have our character ready. So we got the left arm, right arm, torso, neck, and everything. All the important parts of the character is here. So now the turn. This is the front view of the character. This is the front view. So we can just duplicate this and convert it into a side view. So let's just go ahead right here and duplicate this out. And do that, I'm just going to create a new layer. This is going to be the side view right here. So this is going to be right. Okay, so that's going to be the character right. From the front, let's just copy everything, paste it, Control F, or not Control F, but Control V onto the right here. Okay, so there you go. Now let's work around with the right character. So we can just turn the front character onto a right character, and for that it's quite easy. All right, so for that, what you gotta do is delete one eye right here, just like that, and then drag this out right here. Drag this eye onto the right. So just gonna drag this onto the right here, and then this is the nose right here. This is for the character. So let's just select the nose and then keep it out on the right. So let me just keep it out over here, just like that. And then go around and then change the color of this onto something less here. We don't actually need to have that as a reference. So let's just go right here onto the color picker. Let's just go around here and then change that around. So E right here, and then rotate that around a bit. And there you go, there's the nose of the character. And the mouth itself, I can just pull this around over here, just like that. And then I'm going to press E to rotate that around as well, just like that. All right. So I can change the shape of the mouth as well, just like that, according to what I want. And then over here, to make this right character, I just need to delete this right here. And then I need to delete that as well. And then over here on the torso side, let's just go and select out the direct selection tool to work around with this. I do need this shape right here. But let's just go around onto the direct selection tool right here and arrange everything out. So let's just change this leg shape right here, just like this. And I'm just going to go around. Yeah, that's it. That's how I arrange it. I can resize this a bit, and then I can go around right here, place this onto the top just like this over here. So once I do that, let's just resize it. All right, and then that's it. Okay, so I can just cover these things up right here. So once I do that, I can simply create a duplicate of this. So I can go onto the layer right here and then go on to the legs right here. So let's just create a new layer right here, just like that. And this is going to be within the ellipse. All right, so legs, this is the left leg right here. So left leg right here. And I can simply go around and copy and paste this around to make a right leg, just like that. Okay, so I'm just going to copy and paste this around. And this right here is the right leg. So let's just go over here. This is still under the right leg, as you can see. So this is one out right here. So let me just hide these out. So this is the torso. And under the torso, this is going to be the right leg, just like that. So let's just go around onto the layer. Let me just drag that in so that I can see the layer clearly right here. So I don't need the torso right here. So this is it, the right leg. So let's just go around and then cut these parts out right here. So let me just go around. These are the layers right here. So let me just disable the bottom layers right here and then work around with these. Okay, so let's just cut this. And then I'm going to create a new layer right here. So this is going to be the right leg, R leg, just like this. And then on the R leg, I'm going to just paste it out right here. Okay, so now this is the right leg, just like that. And there's the left leg as well. So I can enable both of the layers out right here. And you can see both of the legs are there, just like that. So now over here, again, this one is the right leg. So let's just keep this on the top. And right leg is supposed to be beneath the torso right here, just like that. And there you go. Now we have our side character just like that. We just need to fix the hands now. So we got to do the same with the hands. So I'm just going to delete out this one right here. And then this path, I'm going to create a new layer right here. This is going to be the left hand. So left arm right here, left arm, and drag both of these layers right here. And then I'm just going to need to go over here and arrange these things out. So let's just press E, rotate the things around, go around, and then pull this out a bit, just like that. So I can just pull it out onto the side, and that's it. So once I do that, now over here, so I'm just going to select both of these out, keep it right over here, and there you go. That's the right side of the character right there. So now what I'm going to do is just duplicate these out over here. So just gonna copy that out, create a new layer right here, and this is going to be the right arm right here. And then on the right arm, just paste this around right here. So just gonna go around right arm, paste around, right arm is here. So on the same location, I'm just going to put it and drag it down over here underneath the torso, just like this. Okay, underneath the face and eye and everything right here. So just like that, we have our side character ready as well. So now for the side character, again, we just gotta create a duplicate and then we're done. So let's just go onto the right character right here, just like that. Let's not worry about the naming convention right now, but select all the right character right here, copy it, and then I can simply go around and then create a new layer right here. Not here, but outside, and then this is gonna go around, right? And this is going to be the left character right here. So on the left character, let me just hide all of these right here and then just paste the character right here, just like that. Okay, so it's still on the right. So on the left, I'm just going to paste it. And there you go, there's the left character when I actually transform this. So transform, and I'm going to reflect this out right here and vertical right here. And this is the left character. All I need to do right here is change around. So over here, there's the left leg, which is going to be the right leg now. So I'm just going to change that around so that I can not have the confusion later on. Right leg is left leg is right leg, just like that. And what else do I have right here? So there's the ellipse and everything else right here. So none of the naming conventions, we can just worry about them later on. So that's it. We got the right character as well, just like that, as you can see. So I can just go around right here and keep it on to the right, just like that. And we got all of the characters just like that. And then we can change around just like that. Okay, so just gonna get these things right here, keep it on the center, and we can change the style of the character because we're using this. So I'm just going to go around right here, select all of the characters, close it out, select all of these, and then go around, increase out the stroke right here according to what we like. And then we can change around the style because this is Illustrator. So just go around right here and then that set stroke is going to be black over here. And then from the stroke, I can choose around different cartoony type of character styles right here to give it a different look, just like that, as you can see. Of course, I need to change it around these ones right here. So I'm just going to select these right here, the cover ups right there, cover up both right here. So I'm just going to go around. Yeah, okay. So just gonna select out all of these, shift select all of these right here, and remove the stroke for that one right here. All right. So now those has been covered, and we got our character just like that on the all profiles that we require. And that is how you trace out character. And in further lesson, we're going to see on how we can arrange out the layer so that we can import it out in Character Animator. So if you guys learned something as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.